Hello everybody, it's been a while since I did my last video. I hope that everybody has been doing well. Okay, today I want to talk about an issue that a lot of my student and customer face, and this is a very common questions that I receive. Okay, and that is how do I accurately place and scale a object between two objects or entities. Okay, so let me do a demonstration. Okay, let's say I want to place this ellipse over here. Okay, in our mind we think that okay, maybe the first thing we need to do is to place this location here. So I'm going to use the move command to move this over here. Okay, then our logic will say that maybe we should use the scale command to scale this thing over here. So let's just use the scale command. I'm going to use the scale 3D. Okay, so ask you select object to scale. So this is my object, this is my base point, this is my first reference point, and actually I want to place it here. You notice that although my object snaps are working, the snapping is not as what we have desired. So this might not be the best command to use. How do we solve this problem? Actually, a preferred command to use is actually the Orion command. Okay, so let me do a demonstration. So at the command prompt, type Orion. Select object to Orion. Okay, is your object to be scaled. Okay, now it prompts you for the first reference point. Before we do that, okay, you have to set the scale option to 3D. If you desire to keep your original object to be scaled, you might want to click and set the copy to yes. Okay, so right now when prompted for the first reference point, pick on the object to be scaled the first position that you want to later place on your target location. Okay, so this is the position, and now it prompt you for reference point 2. Okay, that will be the second position on your object to be scaled that will be eventually be placed on the second location or the second target destination. Okay, so this is it. Now when prompted for the first target point, on your object find the first location. So this is it. Second target point, okay, using object snap to the other position. Okay, as you can see, we have accurately placed the object and scale it nicely between these two curves here. Okay, okay, let's make our situation a bit more realistic by doing this scaling and snapping on surfaces instead of curves. Okay, so let me just delete this. Okay, I'm going to create pipes out of these two curves. Give me a while. Okay, I want to place this thing around here. Okay, I want to place it around here and scale it nicely. So as you can see, these are surfaces. It's very hard for us to get the locations. So one trick that you might want to use is to actually create guide curves that will help to assist in the accurate snapping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curve here. Okay, they will roughly tell us that I need to actually place my object around here. Okay, so after I draw my curves, I'm going to use the project command to project this curve onto these two objects. Okay, as you can see, the curve, this line here has been projected onto these two pipes. Okay, okay, to make the visualization easier to understand, I'm going to like hide these two surfaces, these two objects. Okay, now you can see this. I'm going to hide this as well. So we got something like that. Okay, and we can make use of the necessary uh, object snaps to place this thing over here. In this case here, we can utilize the intersection object snaps to accurately place at these locations. Okay, so I'm going to use the make sure the intersect is turned on. Okay, so I'm going to use the Orion again. Select object to Orion. Okay, this is the thing. So first reference point is going to be this location for me. Second reference point is this location. So first target point, okay, make sure that the object snap, the intersection mode is turned on. So this is it. Second one is this. Okay, yeah. So you can see we have placed the thing, the object between these two locations. Now let's bring back our surfaces. Yeah, you can see this thing has been placed between these two pipes. Okay. Okay, I hope that the tutorial has been useful. See you around. Bye.